If you fell into a black hole, this is what would happen to you. Your body would stretch like spaghetti, and time itself would freeze. You would see the entire future of the universe flash before you. A black hole is the most dangerous object in the entire universe, a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape, where reality itself breaks down and the rules of physics stop working. Anything that gets too close is swallowed forever. Stars, planets, light, even time, all consumed. But what actually lies inside one of these cosmic monsters? To find out, we're going to take a journey no one could return from. We'll fall past the point of no return, straight into the darkness. And what we discover will challenge everything you believe. So let's begin. Where do these monsters even come from? But where do these monsters come from? Most black holes are born from the death of giant stars. When a star far larger than our sun runs out of fuel, it collapses. The core caves in, and the outer layers explode outward. This is a supernova, one of the brightest events in the universe. But at the center, the crushed core keeps collapsing into a single point. Gravity crushes it until it becomes infinitely dense. And in that instant, a black hole is born. A wound in the fabric of space itself. Some are only a few times heavier than our sun. Others grow into monsters millions of times more massive. And every one of them hides the same terrifying secret. So let's approach one, carefully. As we approach, the first thing we notice is the glow. A blazing ring of superheated gas, spiraling around the darkness. This gas is heated to millions of degrees as it falls in. Around the black center, light itself bends into a perfect ring. We can even see the back of the disk bent over the top. This is the strange effect of gravity bending light. As we get closer, we reach the boundary called the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Cross it, and escape becomes physically impossible. You would need to travel faster than light to get out. And nothing in the universe can do that. From here on, there is only one direction, inward. So what happens if we cross this? Let's say you fall toward a black hole, feet first. Gravity pulls your feet far harder than your head. The difference is so extreme that your body stretches like spaghetti. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. But from a distance, someone watching you would see something strange. To them, you would appear to slow down and freeze at the edge. Because near a black hole, time itself slows down. The stronger the gravity, the slower time flows. Your image would fade and redden until it vanished, frozen forever on the surface of the black hole. But from your point of view, you fall straight through, into a region no human has ever understood. The heart of the black hole. Deep inside, all the mass is crushed into a single point, a place of infinite density called the singularity. Here, everything we know about physics completely falls apart. Space and time swap places, and the future points inward. No matter which way you turn, all paths lead to the center. Our equations predict infinite density, which makes no sense. It means our understanding of the universe is incomplete. Some scientists believe the singularity isn't a point at all. Others think black holes could hide gateways to other places, perhaps even to other universes entirely. But this remains pure theory. No signal can ever reach us. The inside of a black hole may forever stay a mystery. But black holes hide even more surprises. At the center of almost every galaxy lurks a giant. A supermassive black hole, millions of times heavier than the sun. Our own galaxy hides one called Sagittarius A star. Stars orbit it at millions of kilometers per hour. Some black holes blast enormous jets of energy into space, beams stretching thousands of light years across the cosmos. The biggest ones are billions of times more massive than our sun. How they grew so large remains one of astronomy's great puzzles. In 2019, we saw one for the first time. A glowing orange ring around a shadow, exactly as predicted. Proof that these cosmic monsters are truly real, and they may hold the key to the fate of the universe. But even black holes are not truly forever. For a long time, we thought black holes only grew. But the physicist Stephen Hawking discovered something astonishing. Black holes very slowly leak energy and shrink over time. This faint glow is called Hawking radiation. It means that over unimaginable time, black holes evaporate. But this takes longer than the current age of the universe, trillions upon trillions of years into the future. In the final moments, a black hole releases its energy in a burst, and then it's gone, vanished from existence. Black holes may be the last objects left in the dying universe, the final embers of a cosmos fading into darkness. They are the universe's greatest mystery and its final chapter, and we are only just beginning to understand them.